Hello everybody, this is Dunn speaking. I'm about to show you all the Durabrand PH3235 test call to the StraightTalk home phone line service. So let's see about this. Can you hear the dial tone perfectly? Alrighty then. Now that the dial tone is heard, let's turn it on speakerphone. It works perfectly. Alrighty then. Now let's try to call the StraightTalk home phone service.
Please enter your password, then press pound. You have no new messages in your mailbox. To send a message, press 2. To change your personal options, press 4. To disconnect, press star. Thank you and goodbye.
So, that was all I wanted to show you all, and yes, I can make outgoing calls using the StraightTalk home phone service I have right here, right behind the ear-to-den handsets. This is the StraightTalk antenna home phone service line that I'm using right now, and since my number was 318-417-2454, you can reach me from there. But telemarketers can also reach me from there. So, anyways, may God bless every one of you.